Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Good morning. My name is Maximum Power. I'm here to give you your maximum power moment of the day. Well, welcome to class. This is assignment A6. Remember, in the past few days, we've been talking about slope, and specifically that the slope of the line, we talk about the rise over the run. Right, so the top number in this fraction, it's going to be a fraction. If it's not a fraction, make it a fraction. The top number is talking about going up and down. The bottom number is talking about left and right. So it's a measure of how steep something is, I suppose. In this assignment, we're going to take the slope of a line and a point on the line to find another point on the line. Okay, so here we're given that there's a line that passes through the point 2, 3, and that it has a slope of 1 over 2. So we are going to use that slope to find another point. So remember, this is rise over run. Positive 1 means up 1. So we go up 1, and 2 is the run. It's positive, so we go to the right. So for every 1 up, we go 2 to the right. And our slope is like this. It's a 1/2 slope. It's a really straight line. You can see I drew there. And now we want to know, what is this point? We went 2 to the left from 2, so we ended up at 4, and we went 1 up, so we end up at 4, 4. Okay? That's what we're doing for this assignment. You are using the slope of a line and a point on the line to find another point on the line. Over here, we have a line. It has a slope of -5/3, and it goes through the point -2, 4. So just think rise over run. The rise up and down is -5, so we're going to go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. We end up right here. This is down 5. I'm going to mark that as a -5 just to kind of remember what I did. And for every 5 I go down, I go 3 in the x direction. It's a positive 3, so we're going to run that way. 1, 2, 3. And then the line, it likes to get a little curve there, huh? The line looks something like this. This is the point that I found using the slope, and we went down 5 and over 3, so we are at -1 and, well, -1. No. Yes. -1, -1. That's this point right here. Right, well, move this here. So I can see the slope there, and this is -1, -1. Right, so we knew that a line had a slope of -5/3, and then when it went through the point -2, 4, we applied the slope and found that -1, -1 is also on the line. Okay, here I mentioned, for example, number 3, look at the slope there and think about it. The slope is -4. What does that mean, -4? I said if it's not a fraction, make it a fraction. -4 over 1. So this line goes through this point with a slope of -4. -4 in the run. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, -4 in the rise and 1 in the run. I can't draw very straight. That's okay, because I went to college and I don't have to. This was the point -36. We applied the slope. We went down 4 and 1 to the right, and we ended up, where did we end up? -2, 2. Oh, goodness. Who picked these problems? 4, 4, -1. Anyways. Okay, now to this one. This one is very interesting. We have -2/3, but notice the minus is out front. And it does not matter to us if we put the minus here or minus down below. Let's look at the first one. -2. A run of -2 means we go down and we go 3 to the right. That puts us right there. And the coordinates of that point are 3, 0. So we used the slope to get to 3, 0. If you had put the minus down here, you would have went up to for every 3 to the left, and you would have ended up here. And here, let's see, is the coordinates of this point is 4 minus 3. Right? We went up 2 for every 3 to the left. So there are 2 points that are on that line. We could have done this as well. We could have went 4 in the up direction, 4 positive, and 1 to the left. We could have done that and got a different point, but sketched same. What in the heck are we doing here? You know, these boards are getting crookeder and crookeder as the semester goes on. I apologize for that. I will get somebody to get the whiteboard straightener and work on that. Okay, that's what we're doing. Let's see if you can see over to the edge here. I am on the Google Forms going to put 5 lines, and I'm going to give you along a row, I'm going to give you a slope and a point on the line, and you are going to use the slope to match it with the columns that have points that are on, that have, the column is going to be headed by 1 additional point that's on each line. You find out which one goes with which. It's matching. Hooray! I love you guys. Reach out to me if you need some help. Peace out.